Looking for a natural alternative to Botox that can help you achieve youthful
and radiant skin?
Look no further than bay leaf. This powerful herb is 1,000,000 times more effective than Botox in reducing deep wrinkles
and fine lines. Rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties.
Bay leaf helps to improve skin elasticity, tighten pores, and promote a more youthful appearance.
Its amazing ability to stimulate collagen production
makes it a must-have ingredient in your skincare routine.
Say goodbye to expensive treatments and harsh chemicals, and say hello to the ultimate natural Botox alternative, bay leaf. Discover the incredible benefits of this miracle herb and unlock the secret to ageless beauty.
Watch our video to learn more about how bay leaf can transform your skin
and help you achieve a healthier, more youthful complexion.
Don't miss out on this game-changing ingredient that is revolutionizing the skincare industry. Subscribe to our channel for more tips on natural beauty remedies
and skincare hacks that will help you look and feel your best every day.
Embrace the power of bay leaf
and rediscover the beauty of your skin today.
Also, here are more daily benefits of using bay leaves. Digestive aid. Consuming bay leaves in your meals can aid digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes, reducing bloating, and relieving indigestion.
Anti-inflammatory.
Bay leaves contain compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body, alleviating symptoms of conditions like arthritis and muscle pain. Respiratory health. Inhaling the steam from boiling bay leaves can help alleviate respiratory issues, such as congestion, coughs,
and asthma due to its expectorant properties.
Blood sugar regulation. Bay leaves have been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. Making them beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Heart health. Bay leaves contain cardiovascular-friendly compounds that help lower cholesterol levels and blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Stress relief. The aroma of bay leaves has calming effects on the nervous system, helping to reduce stress, anxiety, and promote relaxation when used in aromatherapy or herbal teas. Antioxidant protection. Bay leaves are rich in antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and premature aging. Skin health. Applying bay leaf infused oil or using bay leaf extract in skincare products can help improve skin health by reducing acne and inflammation and promoting wound healing. Hair care. Rinsing hair with bay leaf infused water or using bay leaf oil can help strengthen hair follicles, reduce dandruff, and promote healthy hair growth. Immune support. Bay leaves contain vitamins, minerals, and antimicrobial compounds that help boost the immune system, protecting the body against infections and supporting overall health and well-being. Incorporating bay leaves into your daily routine through cooking, herbal teas, or topical applications can provide a range of health benefits and enhance your overall quality of life. Aside from these benefits listed above, do you that bay leaves for fights to give you a healthy skin? Here are the facts. Acne treatment. Bay leaves have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help combat acne-causing bacteria and reduce inflammation, making them effective in treating and preventing breakouts. Skin toning. Bay leaves contain astringent properties that help tighten
and tone the skin,
reducing the appearance of pores and promoting a smoother, more even complexion. Exfoliation.
Ground bay leaves can be used as a natural exfoliant to gently remove dead skin cells,
unclog pores, and promote cell turnover, resulting in brighter, rejuvenated skin. Oil control. Bay leaves help regulate sebum production,
making them beneficial for individuals with oily skin.
Using bay leaf-infused products can help control excess oiliness
and prevent acne breakouts.
Anti-aging. Bay leaves are rich in antioxidants, which help protect the skin from environmental damage
and premature aging caused by free radicals.
Regular use of bay leaf-infused skincare products can help reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots, promoting youthful-looking skin. Calming irritated skin. Bay leaves have soothing properties that can help calm and alleviate irritated or inflamed skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, and dermatitis. Brightening effect. Bay leaves contain compounds that can help brighten dull skin and improve overall complexion,
giving the skin a radiant and youthful appearance.
Scar reduction. Applying bay leaf-infused oil or cream to scars or blemishes can help reduce their appearance over time, thanks to the regenerative properties of bay leaves that promote cell turnover
and skin renewal.
Sunburn relief. Bay leaves have cooling properties that can provide relief from sunburns
and soothe the skin's discomfort, making them a natural remedy for sun-exposed skin. Anti-inflammatory.
Bay leaves contain compounds such as eugenol
and cineol that have anti-inflammatory effects,
helping to reduce redness, swelling,
and irritation associated with various skin conditions.
Incorporating bay leaves into your skincare routine can provide a range of benefits,
from treating acne and toning the skin to promoting exfoliation and combating signs of aging, helping you achieve healthy, radiant skin.
Did you know that bay leaf is 1,000,000 times more powerful than Botox? This powerful herb can help remove deep wrinkles and fine lines,
giving you youthful and radiant skin.
Bay leaf contains antioxidants and vitamins that help improve skin elasticity.
And firmness, making it the ultimate natural alternative to Botox.
Simply boil a few bay leaves in water.
Let it cool, and then apply it to your skin as a toner.
You can also mix bay leaf powder
with water to create a paste for a more concentrated treatment.
Regular use of bay leaf can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles
and fine lines, leaving your skin looking smoother and more youthful. Say goodbye to expensive Botox injections and hello to the natural power of bay leaf. Try this natural remedy today and see the amazing benefits for yourself. Your skin will thank you. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty tips.
and tricks.